Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gloria I-Ling Chien. I teach Buddhist meditation, Buddhism in film, and Asian religions in film. I'm an associate professor of religious studies and the current Arnold Distinguished Professor. The Arnold Distinguished Professorship was established through the generous gift of the late Alphonse and Geraldine Arnold. It is a tremendous honor. It allows me to bring leading scholars to Gonzaga through the yearly Arnold Lecture. These talks connect Buddhism with the broader humanities. For 2026, we will welcome Dr. Francisca Cho. Dr. Francisca Cho is a pioneer in the field of Buddhism film and a professor at Georgetown University. Her talk will explore how cinema can inspire reflection and transformation through a Buddhist lens. Please join us on Tuesday, September 22nd in the Global Room at Cataldo Hall. The talk is free and open to everyone, but please do RSVP so we can plan for refreshments. Refreshments start at 4:45 p.m. and the talk starts at 5. We'd love to see you there.